Hey Jamie, if you look right there, you could see it leaking out of that seal, and you can see it's been leaking for quite a while. That's oil that's leaked out, and there's nothing coming out of the top. And the same side right here, you could see where it's been washing off the dirt, where that seal right there is leaking. There's your motor right there, and it's that back one you can't get off. We could see that one, you could see that one, and it's just if we can tilt it out of there and get it out. And here's the sound. Well, you know that. All right, sounds good. Just wanted to show you that little oil leak.